Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, so we've spent most of the week just kind of hanging out here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Stuck in a, rejection to the downside a few times, rejection to the upside a little bit. We're challenging the upper edge of this range, which is 27.35. It's printed as high as 34.25 in the overnight. Shook me out overnight. I wanted to be long against, get the room long against weekly pivot. It ended up bouncing off a 22, which is the hourly mid-band. Let's go to the hourly chart. So it tagged hits here, and then it really took off with some fervor without a chance to really get in it, unless you were sitting at your computer at 6:30 this morning. So for today, it's an interesting animal because the bears tried to do what they needed to do, but once we got into the regular session, you had the one push down here, and then once it hit 28.02, they climbed it up the rest of the day. They've traded on either side of the weekly pivot in the overnight, and now we're trading above. So if the bulls follow through today and we end up taking out 35 and heading off to the upside, then this week will go down as a missed opportunity for the bears, a serious missed opportunity. And then you would expect the weekly pivot, as you got all this price down here, to shift down significantly below the opening price on Sunday and put the bears in put the bulls rather in an advantageous position as far as what they need to do in the area of support. So yesterday was a solid day. I wasn't trying to do a ton. Ended up about a 9-10 handle day. So it's, the week is sitting in a good place for us in the room. The week we're at 56 and change on the week, which is, we try to, our stated goal is 4 a day. So our stated goal, I guess, is 20 a week. So it's in a good spot. This is the last day of the month. I don't like to go crazy on the last day of the month. It's a situation where if it's going to give us good volatility today, if it's going to give us good setups today, then I'm there. If it's going to chop, if we're going to fight over weekly pivot all day, it's going to shake people out and pick their pocket, then, we're not going to trade much. So we'll let the market decide what it wants to do. The room is flat heading into the open. We'll be on Instagram at 9:20 to talk about things heading into the beginning, and we'll take it from there. All right. Take care. Trade them well. Have a great weekend. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.